Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change location on Bigo Live. To do so, firstly you'll have to go to your Bigo app. Once you open the app, to change your location, you'll have to go to your profile, which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on that, you will be under your profile. Now, to change your location, you'll have to again tap on the icon at the top right corner of your screen right beside the settings icon. Once you tap on that icon here, you can see all your information. Now, to change your location, you'll have to again tap on the icon at the top right corner of your screen right beside the share icon. Once you tap on that, here you will be able to edit all the information that you had entered previously. Now you may scroll down to personal information. Under personal information on the top, you can see the hometown option. You may tap on that. Once you tap on that, a list of countries show up. You may either search on the given search box at the top, or you may scroll down and then choose the country that you belong to. You may choose multiple countries as well according to your ethnicity. Once you make sure you selected the countries, you may just tap on the confirm button at the top right corner of your screen. This will simply allow you to change the location. Now, to check if you successfully changed the location or not, you may go back. And then here on your profile, you can see at the bottom under basic information, you can see your location as the one you set before. This is how you can easily change location in Bigo Live. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.